Okay, so again, like the directions said, we first need to classify if they are complementary, supplementary, or vertical angles, and then we can write an equation to find what x is. So if we look at number one, and we'll just take this one at a time. Number one, you can see it forms a 90-degree angle, so we know that that's going to be complementary. Okay, so we know that these two angles added together have to equal 90 degrees. So I can do 3x plus x plus 10 is equal to 90. And now we're just back to solving equations like we were before. 3x plus x, I can combine like terms. So 4x plus 10 is equal to 90. Subtract 10 from both sides. 4x is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 20. So for this problem, we were able to solve to find what the value of x is. X would be 20 here. You can always check that by putting 20 back in for x to see if when you added those actual numbers up, do I end up with 90? In number two, we have this angle here and this one right here. They are across from each other, which means these are vertical angles. Okay, so I know I can set them equal to each other to figure out what it would be. So I have 13 minus x is equal to 2x plus 1. I can add x to both sides. So 13 is equal to 3x plus 1. I can subtract 1 from both sides. So 12 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3, which gives us x is equal to 4. Okay, that one for vertical angles, you can't set it equal to a number. You just set them equal to each other because you know no matter what they are, if they're vertical angles, they're going to be equal. Very last one we have is supplementary because you can tell that by the fact that those two angles together form a straight line. So this would be supplementary. So I know 2x minus 10, and if I add 3x plus 5 to that, I know if it's supplementary, it's going to have to add up to 180 degrees. So I can combine like terms. 2x and 3x is 5x. Negative 10 and 5 is negative 5. That's equal to 180. I can go ahead, add 5 to both sides. So then I have 5x is equal to 185. Go ahead and you divide both sides by 5. So x would be equal to 37 for this problem. Okay, so a lot of notes. I know we had to kind of write a lot of stuff down there, but you should be finishing up these notes, making sure kind of figuring out what questions you have for me. That way when we get started in the live session in a little bit, you are ready to go. You know exactly what questions you want to go over, and you are all set to move on to the guided practice together. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.